Hello and welcome to Degutech Radio, the only show in the universe that brings to life cutting tools. I am your host, Yoav Saralbo. On today's show, we will talk with Jeff Cha. He is the man in charge of bringing an entire new line into the Degutech family of cutting tools. Now, the T-Tap line is a new line of taps that provides total metal cutting solution. Now, this new line of high-speed steel cobalt taps expands the threading range of Degutech beyond milling and turning applications. Now, the T-Tap has many advantages that Jeff will share with us. So stay tuned. We'll be right back in just a moment.
You are listening to Degutech Radio.
Welcome back. Now, Jeff, before we start, I'd like to thank you for finding the time to take off your busy schedule to talk about the T-Tap line. Now, before we get into the product itself, tell me a little bit about yourself and your responsibilities here.
Hello. Thank you for having me. I'm a product manager of thread making tools of Degutech. And in Degutech, each product managers take all responsibility of each product they are in charge. The product managers are related to every activity of the product, from market research, R&D, production, and sales promotion activities such as customer seminar and technical support, and so on.
So you guys must be very, very busy, I imagine.
Yes, because we need to take charge of everything around the product.
Now, the T-Tap line is a hot new product from Degutech that was unveiled recently. What are the details about this?
Okay, T-Tap is Degutech tapping product line, which is made of premium high-speed steel. And they consist of two different geometries.
Yeah.
The first one is straight float with spiral point, which is for through-hole tapping application.
Yeah.
And the other one is right-hand 40-degree spiral float tap, which is for blind hole tapping.
Okay.
We are supplying these two geometries in 3 different grades each, uncoated, steam-tempered, and tin-coated, to cover a wide range of application. And now we are supplying this T-Tap line with only metric ISO thread profile.
Wow, only metric. Will there be the Imperial version 2 coming out soon?
Yeah, we are planning to add additional line in this T-Tap line, depending on the market situation.
You also said that this is a right-handed a product. Will there also be a left-handed product?
Of course, in the market, there is left-hand product, but in the beginning stage, you only start with right-hand.
Right as might, I guess. Now, I heard you brought a video showing the T-Tap in action. Can you give us some details about what we are watching? Now, before we start, I'd like to tell our listeners that if you are listening to us through a podcast provider or as an MP3 file, and you want to see what we're watching or have that added experience of visuals, visit our website and click on TT Plus icon. There you will be able to hear basically hear and see the full visual radio experience. So, Jeff, tell us about this video that we're about to watch.
The first video we are watching is tapping on alloy steel 4140.
Yeah.
The tap is straight float with a spiral point, tin coated T-Tap series, and this is a through hole application.
Yeah.
As you can see here, the tap is pushing the chip forward to the feed direction. So this tool is for through tapping application.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's going right through down to the bottom. That's what you mean by through hole application.
Yep.
Okay. What happens if it's not a through hole application? Let's say a half hole application. Oh, wait. Something's happening here now. What are we about to watch right now? What is the machine going to do now?
The machine is changing the tool to spiral float tap for blind hole tapping application.
Oh, okay. The lubrication is coming out through the bottom of it?
No, this is goes through coolant type.
Oh, okay. So what? So they spray coolant before? Because I see that the material is a bit wet.
Basically, for tapping application, we strongly recommend to use coolant. But in this video, we didn't apply coolant because this is just purpose of demonstration.
Gotcha. Because you want to be able to see the tool in action.
Exactly.
Okay, I gotcha. Yeah. Okay, now it's doing something else, the machine. What's happening? What are we watching right now?
This is right-hand spiral float tap
Yeah.
for blind hole tapping. As you can see the machining, the tap throws the chips out of the hole.
Oh, it's going from the top. Look at that. Yeah.
So this is for blind hole tapping.
Yeah. How fast is it going? What's the velocity of that?
Currently, we applied 15 meter per minute for cutting speed.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Jeff. We'll be right back after this. Stay tuned.
Degutek. Наше радио.
All right. Welcome back to the second part of the show. Our guest today is Jeff Cha, who is discussing the advantages of Degutek's new tap line. So what are T-Tap's advantages, Jeff?
Okay, our T-tap can be applied on a wide range of materials
Yeah.
because of optimized cutting-edge geometry.
Yeah.
And because of it,
Yeah.
it has low cutting forces while machining, and it has easy chip evacuation. And finally, it ensures high process reliability with long go to life, also because of 3 kinds of grade option.
Now, you said easy chip evacuation. How important is that?
During the tapping application, if the chip evacuation is not so smooth, the tap will be broken very easily into the holes.
Oh, so we're looking at damaged tools and damaged materials.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, now this is an entirely new product in the Degutek family. What are the challenges that you have seen? That's if there are any so far.
Since we launched these items from early of this year, we are requested from our customers that we need more variety of tool line because we only have metric ISO thread profile. So we need to expand our tap line step by step to meet the market request. And in fact, there are a huge variety of taps in the market for every kinds of industry. So Degutek, for T-tap line, we are going to expand our lines for different thread profiles and for different geometries and different coatings to meet customer request.
Great. That's great news. Demand is the most important thing.
您正在收听特顾客网络电台，请不要走开，特顾客与您同在。
Okay, now for our next question, I want to talk a little bit about success stories. Can you tell us maybe one or two good success stories that you know of?
Okay, recently we tested T-tap straight float with a spiral point with one of our customers, and the workpiece material is high manganese steel and is kind of structure part of a safe cabinet.
Okay, I see the picture, a safe cabinet. Okay.
The customer was using the competitor's M5 tap with cutting speed about 12 meter per minute.
Yeah.
For this application, we applied tin-coated tap under the same cutting speed.
Yeah.
And we achieved about 800 holes, while the previous tool has about 450 holes. So we could say we increased about 78% tool life.
That is a huge difference.
Yes, that's exactly why we need to expand our line.
Great. Okay, now other products to look out for from your department. What should we look out for?
Yes, actually, I'm focusing on this tapping product, T-tap. So as I said, we need to add new products to expand its line for other thread profiles and different geometries and coatings.
Great. Perfect. Okay, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Welcome back. That is all for today. On behalf of myself, Yoav Saralbo, and our guest, Jeff Cha, I'd like to thank you for listening. Join us here again when we bring you another gem from Degutech's golden vault of cutting tools. Until then, happy machining.